Hello dear students, let's solve the ISI MSQE 2024 sample paper subjective 1. So there's a 20 marks, 30 marks question. There is a mass of consumers of all of whom want to purchase at most 1 unit of a good. The consumer V has a valuation V for this good where V lies between 0 to 1. Assume that V is uniformly distributed over this interval and consume with this thing. Total cost is given and Q by 3 is the good gives you. Clear expectation, the demand facing the monopoly farm. So the demand for good depends on the prices and the charged. In this case, ultimately the distribution 1 to 1. The fraction of consumers with valuations greater than or equal to P is 1 minus P. Okay, so therefore the quantity demanded at P is 1 minus P if 0 less than equal to P less than 1, and this is equal to 0 if P is greater than 1. Next 3B, derive the clear explanation monopoly of the profit and the level. So pi equal to P Q of P C Q of P. Okay, now CQ equal to Q by 3 is the total cost of producing Q units. Okay, so substituting the demand function in the cost function, we get pi P equal to P 1 minus P minus 1 minus P by 3. So to find the profit maximizing price, we take the derivative of pi P with respect to this thing. So del pi P equal to del P. So that is 1 minus 2P plus P minus 1 divided by 3. And that is equal to 0. Solving, we get P equal to 3/4. Substituting P equal to 3 by 4, Q at 3 by 4 will be 1 by 4. Pi of 3 by 4 will be 3 by 4 into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 into 3. So that is 1 by 8. So the price is this, profit is this. Next, suppose the farm can for a cost get to know each other. A consumer belongs to an interval 0 to 4 by 5 and to the interval this, the maximum amount are willing to pay for this information. So charge different prices to different consumers. So consumers from 0 to 4 by 5. Okay, so the optimal price P equal to 4 by 5, and no consumer in this group has a valuation higher than 4 by 5. For consumers from 4 by 5 to 1, is 0.8 to 1, the optimal price will be 3 by 4, that is the option B from B. So let's calculate the profit of in these two cases. So profit for 0 to 4 by 5 is 4 by 5 into 4 by 5, that is 16 by 25. Profit in case of 4 by 5 to 1, that is 3 by 4 into 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 into 3. One by 60, so the total profit is 16 by 25, 1 by 60, 31 by 60. So therefore the maximum amount the firm is willing to pay for the information difference between these two is profit 31 by 60 minus 1 by 8, that is 0.3916. So the firm is willing to pay 0.3916. That's the answer to this question.